Welcome to the online class of There Comes Schools. Subject English. This lecture will be beneficial for the class 5th, 6th and 7th. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम करने वाला है। Start with a special quote. Allah knows what is the best for you and when it's best for you to have it. Today our lecture is about tenses. We will discuss these tenses one by one. Today we will discuss about present indefinite tense. What is the present indefinite tense? Present indefinite is used to describe action that is either happening right now or that happens regularly or routinely. Present indefinite means मौजूदा ज़माना, ऐसा ज़माना जो हमारे उन एक्शंस को ज़ाहिर करता है जो हम डेली बेसिस पे रेगुलरली करते हैं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आयशा स्कूल जाती है, माँ खाना पकाती है, धोबी कपड़े धोता है। ये ऐसे एक्शंस हैं, ऐसे काम हैं जो डेली बेसिस पे होते हैं और मौजूदा ज़माने में होते हैं। अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस सादा जुमले बनाने के लिए, इंडेफिनिट टेंस के सादा जुमले बनाने के लिए वी विल यूज़ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब and we add s or es with the form of verb. How we can add s or es with the first form of verb? If the subject is he, she, it or any singular noun, then we add s or es. But if the subject is you, I, they, we or any plural noun, then we will not use s or es with the form of verb. Which type of sentence structure is used present indefinite tense? First of all, we write subject, then we use verb, then we add s or es according to its subject, and then we add object. For example, she takes a bath once a week. We add s with the verb take because here we use the subject she. I always take care of my pet cat. We don't use s or es with first form of verb if there is subject is I. Akib is a vegetarian. He always eats. According to the subject he, we add s with the verb eat. They like to eat spicy food. These all are the examples of indefinite tense. How we made negative sentences? Do not or does not is used to make negative sentences. If the subject is he, she, it or any singular noun, then we use does not. But if the subjects are I, we, you, they or any plural noun, then we use do not. Negative sentences show the disagreement of any action. ये ऐसे एक्शन को, ऐसे काम को जाहिर करता है जिसमें उस काम की करने की नफ़ी पाई जाए। स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस का? फर्स्टली वी ऐड सब्जेक्ट, देन do not, then we write verb and then object. Do not or does not according to subject we will use in these sentences. For example, she does not take a bath once a week. According to the subject she, we add here does not. And according to the subject I, we add do not. How to make interrogative sentences? What are the interrogative sentences? Which sentence give the sense of question are called interrogative sentences, and we use do or does at the beginning of the sentence. How? According to the subject, do or does comes at the beginning of the sentence, then we use subject, verb, object and put question mark. For example, does she take a bath once a week? According to the subject she, we add here does, and at the end of the sentence we put here question mark. Do I take care of my pet cat? Does he eat fresh eatables? Then we add does according to the subject. जब हम सब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक डू या डज लगाते हैं तो फिर वो वर्ब जिसके साथ हम एस या ई एस का इजाफा करते हैं, डज लगाने के बाद उस वर्ब के साथ हम एस या ई एस नहीं लगाएंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. Past indefinite indicates that the action described in a sentence has happened before and is not in a current happening. ऐसा ज़माना, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट फेल माजी. ऐसा ज़माना जो हमारे ऐसे एक्शन को जाहिर करता है जो पहले हमने काम कर लिया है और वो मौजूदा हालत में काम मौजूद नहीं है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, शी वॉच्ड टेलीविज़न. उसने टीवी देखा. इस एग्जाम्पल से, इस एक्शन से हमें पता चल रहा है ये ऐसा एक्शन है जो माजी में हो चुका है. इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस we use second form of verb after the subject, and in negative sentences we use did not after the subject, and in interrogative sentences we use did at the beginning of the sentences. How we can write the past indefinite tenses? First of all, we write subject, then we use a second form of verb, and then we put object. For example, I wrote articles on different topic. I is subject, we use second form, that is wrote, and it is the second form of write. Then we use remaining sentence. They played football in that field. She preferred coffee to tea. In these sentences, we use second form of verb after the subject. How to make negative sentences? In past indefinite tense, we use did not to make the sentence negative. Firstly, we write subject, then we write did not, then verb, and then object. For example, she did not take a bath once a week. I did not care of my pet. One more thing, in negative sentences, when we use did or did not, then we write first form of verb like take, eat, etc. Interrogative sentences. What are the interrogative? Interrogative sentences are those sentences which gives us the sense of question. And in these sentences, we put did at the beginning of the sentence. Like, did you listen to music yesterday? Did she use the correct word in this exercise? Did they like Rome? After that, third one is future indefinite tense. फेल मुस्तकबिल, आने वाला ज़माना. Future indefinite indicates an action or occurrence has not happened yet and will take place at some point in the future. ऐसा action, ऐसा काम जो अभी तक नहीं हुआ लेकिन आगे मज़ीद मुस्तकबिल में वो काम होगा. Like she will watch television, वो टीवी देखेगी. अभी तक उसने टीवी नहीं देखा, वो टीवी देखेगी आने वाले ज़माने में, मुस्तकबिल में, फ्यूचर में. What is the sentence structure? Firstly, we use subject, then verb, and then object. For example, I shall eat pizza. We shall eat now. He will make an aeroplane. These all are the examples of future indefinite tense. How to make negative sentences? Shall not or will not is used to make the sentence negative. After the subject we use shall not or will not, then verb, and then object. For example, I shall not eat pizza. I is a subject, shall not use as a helping verb, eat is a verb, and pizza is an object. He will not make an aeroplane. She will not fall in love with a prince. These all are the examples of negative sentences of future indefinite tense. The last one is interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, shall or will comes at the beginning of the sentence. According to the subject, we use shall or will, then we put verb, object, and then question mark. For example, shall I not eat pizza? Shall we eat now? Will he not make an aeroplane? These all are the examples of interrogative sentences. I hope now you will be understand the concept of present indefinite tense. Jazakallah khair.